Top 11 Science-Based Best Essential Oils for Anti-Aging and Wrinkles. Essential oil products definitely have a place in your skincare regimen, but ultimately, your skin's needs will determine your choices. Aging is a natural phenomenon. As you age, your skin may start to show fine lines, dark patches, pimples, sagging, and wrinkles. While you can't stop aging, you can delay and minimize age-related physical signs with good nutrition and skincare. One of the best natural approaches to reducing early skin aging is using essential oils. In the later part of this video, we'll share a recipe for an anti-aging blend that you can prepare at home using a specific ratio of these essential oils. But before we get to the final list of essential oils, please note that the information provided in this video has been fact-checked and reviewed by highly qualified dermatologists. Here are the top 11 best essential oils for anti-aging and wrinkles. Number 11. Carrot Seed Essential Oil. While you might not be familiar with this lesser-known essential oil, you may know the benefits that vitamin C offers for aging skin. Carrot Seed Essential Oil contains high concentrations of vitamins C and A, two excellent nutrients for skin support. Carotenoids present in carrot oil also reduce inflammation and even out skin tone. It is an effective antioxidant that combats free radicals, which can harm your skin. When combined, these ingredients result in an essential oil that increases skin hydration, revitalizes dull skin, and accelerates cell turnover. Keep in mind that carrot seed oil doesn't have the best scent, so it's a good idea to mix it with another essential oil from the list below. Number 10. Rose Essential Oil. Unlike carrot seed oil, rose oil has an amazing scent. This potent flower oil is ideal for masking the smell of carrots. A little goes a long way. Rose essential oil is excellent for aged skin as it reduces redness, puffiness, fights inflammation, and improves moisture retention, all contributing to an even skin tone. Rose essential oil also exhibits remarkable antioxidant properties, making it a viable therapy option for preventing skin damage. Additionally, it may help restore a youthful appearance by raising estrogen levels during menopause. If you're enjoying our videos so far, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button to receive more high-quality content like this. Number 9. Frankincense Essential Oil. This highly valued essential oil is great for skin in general, but particularly beneficial for anti-aging. There is evidence that frankincense helps reduce scarring, promotes the formation of healthy tissue, and prevents wrinkle formation by increasing collagen and elastin synthesis. In addition to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, frankincense oil may promote skin cell renewal and even help prevent skin cancer based on preliminary studies. Number 8. Sandalwood Essential Oil. Dryness is a critical factor in premature skin aging, and sandalwood essential oil can help maintain sufficient moisture. It also promotes healthy blood circulation, which keeps your skin smooth and youthful. Sandalwood's anti-inflammatory qualities can help reduce puffiness. Number 7. Lavender Oil. Lavender oil is highly valued for its antimicrobial, antifungal, and antioxidant characteristics and is frequently used in skincare products. It contains bioactive substances like linalool, lavandulol, geraniol, and linolyl acetate, known for their anti-aging and free radical scavenging properties. Regular application keeps your skin hydrated and nourished, protecting against inflammatory conditions like eczema and dry skin. Additionally, it shields the skin from various bacterial and fungal infections. Number 6. Carrier Oil. Considering the benefits that a carrier oil brings to your finished anti-aging essential oil blend is a crucial step in the process. Many components found in the base oil or carrier for your essential oils are just as important. Selecting the best carrier oil for your skin type and desired results is essential. Number 5. Olive Oil. Diluting essential oils with olive oil can create a potent anti-aging solution. Olive oil is rich in various phytochemicals, including sterols and carotenoids, and it has greater antioxidant potential than vitamin E. It helps prevent inflammation, reduce water loss, fade wrinkles, and repair the skin barrier while moisturizing the skin. Number 4. Evening Primrose Oil. Add this oil to your routine if you have dry skin because it is an incredible moisturizer. Evening Primrose Oil, high in GLA, omega-6, fatty acids, soothes irritation, and leaves skin nourished. It increases elasticity and supports a healthy skin structure. The recommended amount of evening primrose oil to use in your base oil is between 10 to 30% of the finished product. Number 3. Rosehip Seed Oil. Like other rose-related oils, rosehip seed oil is rich in omegas 3, 6, and 9, as well as vitamins E and A, all of which support collagen and elastin synthesis. It promotes tissue regeneration and acts as a powerful antioxidant. It is recommended to use it between 20 to 25% of the total base oil. Number 2. Pomegranate Seed Oil. Pomegranate seed oil is incredibly conditioning and nourishing. It has a high concentration of polyphenol antioxidants, making it excellent for mature, damaged, or aging skin. It also contains deep penetrating omega-5 that promotes tone, brightness, and moisturized skin. Pomegranate seed oil is an excellent supplementary carrier oil because it is light and scentless. Number 1. Argan Oil. All skin types benefit from this luxurious oil, but it's especially beneficial for delicate and aging skin. Argan oil can improve fine wrinkles and dull complexions. Rich in vitamin E and omega-6 and 9, this shielding oil promotes cell renewal. If you're constantly searching for the fountain of youth and concerned about the effects of aging on your skin, essential oils can be a valuable ally in your skincare routine. We understand that you take great pride in your appearance, and we're here to help. We've all worried about how to care for our skin and keep it looking young at some point. You can start your journey to combat aging by using specific essential oils and carrier oils that promote healthy skin. To learn how to use essential oils for their anti-aging properties, follow the recipe provided in the video. How to actually use essential oils for their anti-aging properties. Now the question arises, how should you utilize essential oils once you know which ones can help reduce the effects of aging on your skin? You'll undoubtedly need the carrier oils we've mentioned above to help dilute the potent essential oils. Here is an example of a homemade essential oil blend that you can use to address aging symptoms. Anti-aging serum. 2-ounce glass bottle, 1 ounce argan oil, ½ ounce rosehip seed oil or evening primrose oil, ½ ounce pomegranate seed oil, 8 drops frankincense essential oil, 3 drops carrot seed essential oil, 5 drops rose essential oil, 5 drops sandalwood essential oil. Combine all these ingredients as thoroughly as possible in a small glass bowl. Then use a funnel to transfer the oil mixture into the glass bottle. To help protect aging skin, apply this blend 1 to 2 times a day to clean, dry skin. We hope that you found this video valuable. Please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with your loved ones.